The 5th Cebu Food and Wine Festival officially unveiled its 2026 highlights, with premium Aussie lamb taking center stage as part of efforts to further elevate Cebu's growing reputation as a world-class culinary destination. Governor Pamela Baricuatro expressed her support for the festival and its partnership with the hospitality industry in promoting food security, gastronomy tourism, and farm-to-table initiatives that create opportunities for local farmers, producers, hotels, and restaurants across the province.
For me, food is not just something we enjoy. It is connected to livelihood, agriculture, tourism, culture, and economic growth. That is why I am particularly excited about the discussions on creating stronger farm-to-table partnerships through this festival. Imagine our local farmers having more direct access to hotels and restaurants, cutting the middleman. I imagine more Cebu-grown produce finding its way onto the tables of visitors from around the world. And imagine a farmer's market becoming part of the celebration, allowing people to experience firsthand the quality and abundance of what Cebu can offer.
MyTV Cebu's Anyone Can Cook host and Cebu Food and Wine Festival Board Director 𝗕𝗿𝗄𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 Manila, premium Aussie lamb will be showcased by some of Cebu's leading hotels and restaurants throughout the month-long festival. She added that the initiative allows local chefs to explore new techniques, innovative menu applications, and creative ways of combining Australian lamb with local ingredients.
In this crisis, we're finding a lot of foreign ministries like the Australian Trade Commission wanting to enter the Philippines to showcase their meat and their lamb, and they graciously chose Cebu over Manila. And we're grateful to them because they have supplied over maybe $10,000 worth of lamb to all the chefs in the city. So all the participating restaurants, it's actually in your PR kits. Every hotel has created 2 special dishes of the meat and the lamb that's going to be showcased in all the hotels and the restaurants in the Food and Wine Festival for 1 month.
Mia Singson Leon, president of the Hotel, Resort and Restaurant Association of Cebu and general manager of Crimson Resort and Spa Mactan, said the festival continues to strengthen partnerships between the hospitality industry, local government units, and Cebuano suppliers through programs that promote local products and sustainable farm-to-table practices.
Not only for food, we also work with the government, as what Governor has mentioned, that we are trying to bring our farm produce to the restaurants and to your homes as well at a very reasonable rate, because it's not that we don't have farms. We do. We have farms, but they just don't get to us in time before they get spoiled. So that's something that we are doing. We are also currently working with the Mantalongon farmers and their co-ops to make sure that they plant the kind of produce that we actually need on a seasonal basis. So that's something that's in the works. So hopefully in the future we actually get the kind of produce we need at the time that we need, and by how much they will know also, because we're doing this survey with them today. In the next few weeks.
For the past 5 years, Chef Marco Anzani said the Cebu Food and Wine Festival has helped position Cebu as a premier gastronomic destination by bringing together chefs, producers, hospitality leaders, and global industry partners to showcase the best of Cebuano cuisine and hospitality.
I want to emphasize of the effort that we do for the last 5 years. So we bring up the possibility to link chef, ingredient, businessmen, people from overseas. Like you see this year, we've been able to actually engage also with the Aussie lamb. You guys probably say, what I have to do with the Filipino food? There is a lot to do, because there is people see from outside our country how developing internally, how hard is here. We want to make Cebu recognized to the people traveling to the province, coming from Manila, to come and join what we have.
Meanwhile, Cebu Food and Wine Festival Board Director Pearl Arienza shared that the organization recently met with Governor Pamela Baricuatro to discuss ways of further promoting local food products from different cities and municipalities in Cebu and expanding opportunities for local producers through tourism and hospitality partnerships. She also expressed gratitude that CFWF will be part of discussions with the government in helping Cebu.
We're very excited to be part of the think tank just to help the city, just to help the province, so that we can, move forward and be as progressive as possible.
The Cebu Food and Wine Festival officially opens on June 13 with its grand tasting kickoff at Crimson Resort Spa Mactan, followed by a month-long celebration of chef collaborations, culinary events, and the festival of flavors featuring exclusive Aussie lamb and beef dishes across participating restaurants. This has been 𝗀𝗪𝗻𝗂 Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.